It is Tuesday the 7th of November. I was going to say October then. And I've just come for a little walk as a reset just for the day. Oh, look at this. Lovely, beautiful. I'm afraid I've not got anything for you. I haven't, no. Hello, beautiful. So yeah, I've come out for a little walk. Came to feed the ducks and the swans, and the water level is up quite a bit this morning. It's cold. It's really cold. But then again, I should have put a jumper on. It is, you know, coming up to winter. But yeah, it's a gorgeous morning. Oh, they're all just going back in now. There they go. Good morning. It is the 8th of November and it is raining. Oh, it's very wet and cold. But hey ho. So I'm just trying to get across. So yeah, it's eased off a bit. There's a sudden downpour. So yeah, I'm just going to go see my dad again. And yeah, keep going for little walks in between. I've done a hell of a lot of miles, I'd have to say. Good morning. It is, hold on, I think it's the 9th. Yes, Thursday. Gosh, I'm losing track of days. It's Thursday the 9th of November, and about 4 or 5 years ago this church was up for sale, and I can remember we looked at it. It was beautiful. It had some kind of conversion, but there was a lot of work that needed doing inside, but it was amazing, and we thought, ooh, we could live there. And it's reasonably priced actually. Look at the sky this morning, beautiful. So this is Asken. This is where my dad lives, new place, and yeah. So hopefully my dad's coming home tomorrow, bless him. Hospital bed's been delivered this morning, so I'm having to be around to make sure that deliveries can take place. And then it's back to the hospital. So I'm all busy. It even has its own fire department. And it also has, as we get a bit further up, it's got its own train track, which is annoying when you're in the car and the barriers come down. some beautiful buildings further down here. One of the buildings is just all built up. It's all boarded up, which is a shame. It's a real shame. So I'm going to walk back this way towards Askin and we'll see what we can see. It's just boarded up. It's a shame. Memories of COVID? Jeez. And as we're coming up to the church, what's the first thing my eyes are drawn to? The wall. How it's been patched up. Let's go have a look. New builds. I mean, look at this house on the corner. Typical late Victorian. It says schoolhouse on it. And then you've got new builds. See, that one's not finished. It's not got the windows in. If you look at the ones after it, they do look lovely. I love the one that's coming up now with a stone balcony. That does look pretty. It does look nice. There's all the poppies up for a stay. Another level crossing over there in the distance. So I think that might be my cue to turn back and make sure that I am actually back for the delivery. See, poppies all over. Good morning! It is Saturday the 11th of November. Gosh, yeah, the 11th of November. So I've just come to Sandwell Park, just having a little walk around, just looking at the birds. The moorhens there, looking rather plump. And they're just fluffing up their feathers, ready for winter. It's about 4 or 5 degrees. There's a chilly wind, and trust me, it's chilly. I've just come to have a look. Nothing much has changed really. Start getting my gloves out because it's cold. My fingers are really, really cold. You see all the geese trimming down grass. That was the most bizarre experience I've ever had. Wow. There's some bread and the whole lot just been flying. It's very on edge. I wonder if there's some foxes out. It's quite muddy and slippery. Right. Shall we see if these little darlings would like a little bit of that? See the bubbles, fish are about. Come on then. So, good morning. It is Sunday the 12th of November, Remembrance Sunday. It's Armistice Day yesterday. I have the intention of going to the car boot today. I'm going to go find the big poppies that they've painted with some organic, environmentally friendly paint on one of the roundabouts. So I've got a load of bird food. I have a plan this morning. So it's very, very foggy. So I'm not quite sure when the sun's going to make it through. But at least it's not as cold as it was yesterday. I mean, I did bring my gloves, but anyway. So it's quite eerie, really. Some of the lights are just turning off. It's 7:05 this Sunday morning. It is as cold as yesterday. Oh, that wind is nippy. Quite eerie. It's nobody about. So I'm just keeping my wits about me and, you know, use my camera and reflections in windows and things to make sure if there's anybody about I know where they are. So yeah, complete difference to the summer, where this time it would be completely light at this point. Gosh, that fly by so quickly. So, down by Lakeside, and it's incredible. So we're at the race course. I'm going to run across. I can't be bothered waiting for the can't be bothered waiting for the lights to change. They always take a long time. Oh, bloody heck, it's cold. So got a few bits. In the car boot, mainly old books. I like looking at old books. There's one of King. Earlier this century, last century, yeah, 20th century, but 1900s. Oh, it's freezing. Right, I'm going to find this big poppy. It's on the roundabout just up ahead. So here we go. We've got the big poppy on the roundabout. There's actually three. And there's one on either side. So there's three altogether. This looks pretty cool. Oh, look at this. How cool is that? They're so cool. That's actually a little like party pack. And they're actually books. So, good afternoon. afternoon. It is Monday, the 13th of November. I'm out for a walk. Just been looking at the post box as well. Fabulous post box with the Remembrance Sunday, Armistice Day. Poppies, still got mine on. It's very windy. We have another storm. That doesn't look much better when I was walking down. But yeah, it's very windy. Ooh. So yeah, I've been to work this morning. I was in work for 6 o'clock. Finished at 11. Got back. Been to see my dad. And I thought, right, I'm going to come out. I needed to get to the post office. Good grief. Oh, it's freezing cold. Oh my lordy. Ah, gosh. Oh my. Look at some of the leaves, look at the colours, they're just beautiful. Gosh. Really, really windy and cold. Good grief. I'm freezing, absolutely freezing. I'm pleased with my leaves. They're cool. Right, I need to cross this road without getting run over. Good morning, it is Monday the 20th of November. Just asking, moving day for my dad, unfortunately he passed away, so sorting things out. And I thought, do you know what, I'm going to come for a walk, have a look round. Went the other direction last week, so I'm going to come this way. This is a nice building. Isn't that a quaint little place? Lovely sky this morning, very bright. So Asken is another one of Doncaster's ex-pit colliery villages. So you tend to get a lot of the old style houses. And then that one I've just shown you was new. And it looks like the path is diminishing. But yeah. Look. It's cold. Driving over this morning, popped bread, got breakfast, and 7 degrees. Whew, God, I brought my scarf, my woolly scarf. Yeah. I have no idea where this path is going to take me. And sadly, says Moss, there are no paths, so that is the end of my journey. Well, it looks like I'm going back. Grange Farm, right, onwards and upwards. Wow. You get the old street signs. Let's see what else we can find. I'm weaving in and out now. That's cool. Nice little house, quite small. So these are what we call terraced housing. If you're watching this, not in England. It can vary from like 4 houses to this one's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's got 12 houses in the terrace. Don't know if it's a standard number. What? I have no idea. So, busy rush hour. Don't normally come out at this time because of the rush hour. It's about 20 to 9. Just going into the council building into town, so I thought, why not walk? So, it's Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, the 21st of November. Just tidying up affairs and things. And yeah, going into town. It's just busy. Good morning. It is Wednesday the 22nd of November and I'm just going out for a little walk to Stanley Park. It's just 7:30, so a little bit dark. Look at the autumn leaves. It always looks so pretty in autumn, and then you get the leaves that fall with the rain and everything goes sludgy. Ooh. That's a nice bit. It looks a lot better now. We've opened it all up. Fabulous. I'll be able to get right to the end now. That'll be good. I see 3 cormorants. I just see 3 cormorants. Ah, and I thought they'd gone missing. They're there. Wow. So the cormorants we saw in the summer, and to me they remind me of like an Archaeopteryx winged dinosaur. Yeah, it'll be in one of my earlier videos. I don't know whether it's in June walking or what, but yeah, I thought they'd left. Oh, my dad would have been really pleased to have seen those again. And we've got the Friends of Sandal Park logo here, and it's been almost a year since I posted my first YouTube video. Wow, it's gone so quick.